Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back.
And mommy has.
I have a Chinese food, white rice.
Yes, this.
Ooh,
No?
with shrimp and broccoli.
Wow, good job, Mama. You made that.
And what do you have, Curry?
I have apples and fries and chicken and toys
Uh-huh.
and
What are you drinking? A
tea.
soda?
Soda.
Good job.
And Mama has no.
I have a water from McDonald's.
Yeah, I have. I don't have.
So I'm gonna attempt to try to eat with my chopsticks. We're just having lunch right now,
Yeah. And I go eat my apples and fries and my cream.
Okay.
And my let's go.
Okay, let's go. I've never ate chopsticks with rice. This is my first time with rice. I eat with chopsticks all the time. Not all the time, but it's not foreign to me.
I
It's
eat
just-
my apples and I just say in my apples.
Mm,
My apples.
that's really crunchy. So,
And you too.
broccoli crunchy.
I want
Crunchy?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. So, how was your day, Kyle? Awesome. Good job, baby. Okay. My day was good. It's even better now that we're eating because I was hungry.
And Mama hungry too.
Mama's hungry.
I probably hungry.
Are you hungry too?
I'm full.
You full already?
Yeah. I need some homemade vegetables.
Well, baby, you just started.
Yummy in my tummy.
You made your tummy?
Yummy in your tummy.
Okay.
Yummy in your
My tummy right here, baby.
Ah!
Yummy in your tummy. So,
Yummy in your tummy.
there you go. So today, we went to Grand house.
And
Grand is my grandmother and Kyrie's, my grandmother and Kyrie's great grandmother. And that's Grand.
but y'all hear me.
Did you have fun at Grand house, Kyle? Yeah. What did you do?
I use a whistle like this. And that was loud.
You did what?
And that was a whistle and that was
Oh, you
loud.
whistled. Oh, I said she went to the restroom. Sorry. You did a whistle and it was really loud. Oh, you're speaking about the fire truck. The fire, how do you call it? Fire drill.
Yeah. The fire just so like a whistle. And that was so loud.
Yes, her and my nephew was very scared because they have elderly apartments in
And
the
that
apartment
was-
complex.
And that was the same neighbor.
And yes, it was one of the neighbors. And
And Mama, it's a neighbor.
it was the neighbors. So we went to go check on the neighbors to make sure they were okay because it was a fire truck right outside with big red fire truck and sirens and.
And that was big.
Mhm.
That was big Charlie truck.
Mhm.
And Mama,
Mhm.
it's a neighbor. Okay, are you ready? Okay, guys. And next time you click inside and Mom go sing and I go sing.
Okay. Ready?
Say
It's
it.
Daniel Tiger's neighborhood. Daniel Tiger's neighborhood. Daniel. ride along with me.
Well,
Then I forgot the song.
oh, okay. Okay, I wait. Let's see. Neighbor. Hey,
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Hey.
Won't you ride along with me?
Ride
Much to see. Ride along with me.
on.
Dancing tiger's neighbor.
Hey, neighbor. I should hurry. I'm to school.
She loves Dan Tiger's neighborhood.
And yeah, me too. I don't like Paw
You
Patrol.
don't like Paw,
Yeah,
you don't like Paw Patrol anymore?
I did nothing. I was saying, Mama. I say,
I had to put these down.
I
Because
gotta get
I cannot
this
dig in
done
the
too.
rice.
I gotta get this done too.
I cannot get a dig in the rice.
Right? In my drink.
To drink.
That was so good, Mama.
Yes, it is.
Just say it. You know, say you didn't hear it again.
Okay.
It said, Paw Patrol song. You love the
Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Whenever
Daddy
you're in
and the
trouble.
devil. Daddy and the team. Daddy favorite day. Daddy see the tea the pups. Daddy favorite day. Mother wanna shake. Daddy do a star. And on the way. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. And the devil.
Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol.
So, and the devil.
I forgot, y'all. I don't be watching these shows no more.
We like it with the book. Mama, I
Mhm.
go see dinosaurs.
You gonna read the book?
And
Hold on.
hey guys,
Wait, before you read it,
what?
this was very neat. That came with the book. Basically, you take it apart.
And I want stickers.
Wait. That's not a sticker. Look, when you read in the story, you have dinosaur horns. Uh-oh.
That's so fun.
Okay, we're not gonna. That one's way down there.
Oh,
And Mama cannot
right
reach that.
there.
You only have one dinosaur ear.
That's
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Wait, I gotta fix it. You gonna break it? Look, come on. Come on, you gonna break it. Okay, Mama's gonna wear it. Okay, now you can read the song. You read the book. You read the book while I wear the horn.
Okay, I want a horn.
You too ticklish. You keep laughing.
Oh, there's no way.
Mhm.
Ah! You see, I hate. That's a sticker, Mama.
Mhm. Uh-oh.
What?
I got rice on my shirt.
Why is it?
Mm-hmm.
It's okay, Mama. You go be fine.
Be fine. Thank you.
Okay, dinosaurs. One day that was a dinosaur. The dinosaur team puzzle. And that was crashing.
Oh, really?
And that was the big dinosaur. And then the fire truck.
Mm-hmm.
The fire truck said, "Wee-oo, I run away." And the fire truck saved the life on the fire. The fire was, "Get out, everyone, get out!" And everyone was safe.
Mm-hmm.
And one day, there was a big dinosaur. She go push everyone. Wah-ha-ha-ha. Wah-ha-ha-ha. And the dinosaur say, whoa. Then the police came and say, wheel, come out of the way. And Mama was saying, the monster. Ah! And Mama was saying, and I saw the police kick him and magic. No. And the police said no. I go turn to the police. Uh-oh. He go police. Okay, Mama, are you ready for your facts?
Mm-hmm.
You got it? Got your patch?
Thank you for my patch, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. Day for help. With you. For help.
Hey, Tom. What color was the fire truck?
The fire truck is red. The fire truck is there's a hose.
Oh, yeah? Got a hose on the back of the truck.
What's the hose?
Water.
Water.
A water hose.
A water hose.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! I didn't think of anything. Okay, guys. We gotta read the story. Guys, I'll go finish this one.
Tyree, are you going to finish eating? No?
No.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go get my patch.
You going to get your patch?
I'll get my patch. You want my patch?
Mhm.
I'll give you patch.
Yeah, excuse my hair.
Huh?
I just took my braids down. And getting ready to do my hair. So today,
We have
in another video, I'll do an opening. And a review on what I've gotten this weekend, which is a surprise to
and
my
we
godmother.
got a baby shark. And baby shark God just saying the patch. And we say, baby shark, get away. And she was crying.
Come
And
on.
maybe on the phone, your mom shark and dad shark and grandma shark and mommy shark and baby shark got me here, so we'll say
Yeah, my godmother is having a boat ride party. Her and my god sister. My godmother is turning 40, and my god sister is turning 21. There's somebody. Hey, somebody. I don't know what you're singing, baby. What are you singing?
I said the body. I said the body.
I don't know. What are you talking about?
I said the body. I said the body.
Body or buddy? What are you saying? Girl.
Booty is booty.
I don't know what you're trying to say.
I'm like booty is goody.
So, we're going on a boat ride for your birthday. But my god sister know I'm coming. But my godmother does not know I'm coming.
And my brother inside me, and I thought it was not him.
So it'll be a surprise, or hopefully she don't watch this video.
Mama,
But we have to wear all white and gold.
And
Welcome back.
every time Mama saw me, it's no one there.
Casey on sleep, yes.
Every time vegetables.
We got vegetables and shrimp. But yeah.
So we got the drinks. I got my water
So-
and I got so
We'll eat tomorrow.
Okay, Mama, it's Trigar.
Now, our wife
Drink.
came in today.
Mama, today we go to. Mama, how you get fun?
I'm having fun tomorrow. And this is the first time me and my husband is going to be without the kids for a while.
Mm-hmm. And you got your eyes.
Hmm.
You have close
In a long time.
eyes.
We're not happy, but, you know, it's much needed, you know.
We're happy.
It's very much needed.
Mm-hmm.
So we're happy about needing it, but
Mm-hmm.
a little bit of separation anxiety. She don't even know we're leaving yet. She don't even know we're going. But yeah, still got a lot of rights left, but I'm not gonna eat that. All right, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in.
It's in the button.
Go ahead and hit that button and
And subscribe.
subscribe. Good job, Mama.
And say goodbye.
Bye bye. Love you guys. Give me a kiss. Mwah.